May 9th today, 2025. Old Murray, it's been a minute. I don't think this has run since November. Probably drove it in deer season. Gotta vacuum that out. I need to do something to hold that up better. So I got both batteries charged up there. Put one on the charger last night when I got home, about 11:30. And then switched the other one this morning. Throw some batteries at it and see if it'll start. Oh, we gotta check the oil too. That's looking pretty good to me. It's a beautiful day today, but the trilliums are out. And if you're familiar with Ontario, you know what trilliums mean. Bugs. Thing. Oh, there's green crusties on there. That's so annoying. Well, I should probably do the right thing. If anybody knows how to make battery terminals not turn green, let me know. I did put dielectric grease on them, but I probably put the grease over top of the green. Pet crew just got home from daycare. You guys here to help? Yeah. Some dielectric grease on this. Okay, ready? It just wouldn't be me if I didn't spray a bunch of oil all over it. Doesn't stink in here, so that's good. We got signs of life. 234-308. Look at that. Just a peach. Everything looks good. Oil pressure, voltage. Gonna give this a wash. The window's pretty dirty. It's all dusty from setting. We just went and put fuel in the excavator and the tractor because I want to get that tank emptied out. It's a couple years old at this point. It's 8 o'clock and I don't really feel like doing this right now, but here we are getting into it, right? Yeah. Black flies are out. You're gonna play with some bubbles. Staying up late on a Friday night. Hey, there's Wessie. The neighbor's cat. There. Got her all washed up, looking good. Hopefully I'll be able to get a license sticker for it tomorrow, and then we can drive it. I was just squeegeeing up some of the water from when I washed it, and then I was squeegeeing this, but that's not water. So I'm gonna have a look. I suspect it may be a brake line. There's the culprit right there. Brake line. Looks like every one of them are dripping. It would probably be wise just to replace every one. One already got replaced there, but goodness. Okay, well, for a fairly rust-free truck, it is kind of crusty here and there. If you're gonna blow a brake line, in the driveway is a pretty good spot to do it. Good morning, August 23rd, 2025. I'm here by myself today, getting ready to do some pressure washing. Heading to a wedding later. Sarah's in the wedding, so I'm here getting ready. I gotta wash the truck, and I'm gonna rotate the tires on it as well. Wanted to do that for quite a while, so finally gonna get to that. We're heading camping next week. I'm gonna wash that too. Currently got it for sale, and gonna take the sled trailer to the wedding. We're staying overnight. We'll get right to work here. wrong with this pressure washer. Like, it hardly has any pressure. Like, there's stuff on the fender and it won't even... A little bit of bug guts comes right off with my thumb, but this thing won't even touch it. I don't really have time to work on a pressure washer today, so I guess it's a soft wash. So this truck originally had 255 tires on it from factory. And with these 285s, they're too wide, so got to run a 2-inch spacer. You can tell I was the last guy to put these spacers on because they're covered in anti-seize. These leaf springs look like they need new leaf springs. It's not like I'm hauling anything terribly heavy, but they do that. I don't see any broken ones. Always something for the list, eh? A problem I'm happy to have. I wasn't even recording. Brakes look pretty good. See the new stainless brake lines up in there. That's nice, no more blown brake lines. So I think what I'm gonna do is put the front tire on the inside and then flip the inside one and move it up to the front. I guess it's more on the outer edge, but they get scalped off. Like the middle still look like they have full tread. And then on the rears, it's like they wear more in the middle and they don't touch on the shoulders of the tire. So you got to constantly rotate them, but that's all right. We've got the technology. Probably clean that up a bit. With the wire wheel, the dissimilar metals, the steel to aluminum corrosion party always happening. That is so nice being able to clean stuff up like that. That's pretty slick. On the front tire, the white letters are going to be facing in now, so I guess I'll make it match on the back as well. Missed a spot. Don't want the rim to wobble. Instead of trying to paint around the studs, I'm just going to paint here. Well, I got this side all finished up, tires back on, back sitting on the ground. Now I got the other side. All cleaned up and ready to go. Didn't have time to wash anything else, but at least I got this thing done. Now time to go wash myself up. How old is this truck? 7 to 17 is 10. Was it now 5? This truck's 18 years old. Is that right?
I think so.
Mike, wow. That's crazy. This truck's 18 years old.
It's his birthday.
Sure, this could be Murray's birthday. This is a beautiful truck for being 18 years old. This, in my mind, this is not an 18-year-old truck.